An art installation with a difference is causing quite a stir in Vietnam. Thousands of people have been to see the exhibition set in a rice field in the north of the country. Lebu Diseko has a story.
A countryside scene with a difference. What looks like the most delicate of trees sparkling among the rice fields. It's actually a crystal cloud, an art installation, and it features 58,000 shimmering beads, Swarovski crystals draped over towering bamboo poles on top of a terraced hill in Vietnam's Dien Bay province. Local farmers mingled with curious visitors trying to snap the perfect picture.
It's very unique. I've never seen an outdoor installation like this. When the sun shines, it reflects on the crystals.
We inherited these terraced fields from our ancestors. We can't believe how many people know about these fields now.
It's all to try and encourage tourism and boost the country's economy.
If you come to the installation for a day, you'll see it too quickly. But if you come for a month, you'll collect some great memories. This is our first project in Vietnam, and it's a dream come true. We'll never forget it.
It's not been without controversy. Some say the installation's ruining the area's natural beauty. But authorities hope it will help make Vietnam a must-see destination. This shimmering display will be available to see until harvest season in October. Lebu Diseko, BBC News.